How you doing? I'm Joel. Today we were doing saw cutting. Basically what we do is we cut these patches out on the road. Then we have our second crew, is the binder crew, to come and rip that up. They put their material in the ground, which is binder. And we have a final crew that's top. Basically what I'm doing, I'm the first one on each location. And I'm the one that cuts all the jobs.
How you doing? My name is Greg. I'm one of the asphalt laborers here at East End. We do all types of restoration work for National Grid. Whatever they need done, we do small patches, we do full streets, curb to curb. Whatever they need, we come in and we take care of it. And it's great to work here at East End, a good group of guys, and we all work very hard. We work together, and that's the key to our success.